Have you ever heard that putting your TV remote or flashlight batteries in the fridge makes them last longer? It's one of those age-old life hacks passed down through generations. Some swear by it, claiming the cold preserves the energy. But what does science actually say? Today, we are putting this cooling theory to the test. Not too long ago, we were heavily dependent on batteries. From radios to emergency torches, batteries were the heartbeat of technology. Back then, once a battery died, you had to buy a new one. This led to people trying all sorts of tricks. Think of a battery as a small chemical factory. It has three main parts: an anode, a cathode, and an electrolyte. When you use a device, a chemical reaction starts. But even sitting on a shelf, those chemicals are slowly reacting. This is self-discharge. The idea is that cold slows chemical reactions down. People believe they can freeze the self-discharge process, locking the energy inside. Major manufacturers like Duracell and Energizer are clear: do not refrigerate your batteries. The biggest enemy inside a refrigerator is moisture. Condensation can lead to corrosion, damage the battery seals, and even cause the internal chemicals to leak. The Goldilocks zone for batteries is a dry, cool place, ideally between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. A simple desk drawer or a storage box in a cupboard is actually the best place for them. In short, the fridge hack is a myth. Keep them dry, keep them at room temperature, and keep them out of the kitchen. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this video. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.